Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about instrumentation process control. Unit number 9 frequency response analysis. Topic જોઈશું આપણે a control problem. અને previous lecture માં આપણે જોઈ ગયા હતા ટ્રાન્સપોર્ટેશન લેક બેઝિસ પર અને સમ એક્ઝામ્પલ. તો નાવ સ્ટાર્ટ કરીશું આપણે a controls problems અને some board diagrams. તો now start the lectures. An interesting conclusion may be reached from study of this figure 16.2, and we are trying to control the tank temperature using the deviations between the thermocouple reading and set point as the error part. Okay, and the block diagram for a proportional control might appears in a figure 16.3. Okay, figure 16.2 and 16.3 above diagram. This one is a transportation leg. Simply in a previous lecture માં જોઈ ગયા છે આપણે already. This is a part for a inlet temperature and this thermocouple part in this tank temperature today. Overall leg part 188 degree and transportation leg and a tank leg for a this is a zero line for a time interval for a wave, different wave. For variations of this example 16.3 માં આપણે જોયું છે. Okay, for an interesting conclusion may be reached out from a study state of the figure 16.2. Suppose that we are trying to control the tank temperature using the deviation between the thermocouple reading and the set point as the error part. A block diagram for proportional control might appear as in figure 16.3, where the Ti dash is replaced by U and T by the component part C, and also T dash M by the B to conform with our standard block diagram nomenclature. The variations R denotes the deviations of the set point from 170 Fahrenheit and is the desired values of the deviation C. The value of R is assumed that to be the 0. In the following analysis, control at 170 Fahrenheit. At the following arguments which not regious solves to give some insight regarding applications of frequency responses to control system basis and some analysis na basis પર જોવાનું રહેશે. Now this control panel, the heat being added to the tank is given in a deviation part for a variable as a Kc multiplied B with the references to be the 16.2. It shows the responses of the uncontrollable tank, okay, to a sinusoidal variations in a capital U. It can be seen that the peaks of capital U and B are almost exactly opposite directions. For opposite because the phase differences is a 188 star. This means that in a loop for also stability transient response of simple control system આપણે જોઈએ એ રીતે. અને નાવ જોઈએ છે આપણે ફ્રીક્વન્સીસ રિસ્પોન્સ એનાલિસિસ. એમાં આપણે જોયું હતું ફોર્ચ્યુન સર્કમસ્ટન્સીસ, ટ્રાન્સપોર્ટેશન લેગ, ફર્સ્ટ ઓર્ડર સિસ્ટમ માટે જોઈએ છે. Okay, this is the part of the next one is the board diagram. This part is a control panel. Okay, the heat being added to the tank is given in deviation variable as Kc multiplied B with references to figure 16.2, which shows the response of the uncontrolled and tank to a sinusoidal variations part capital U. Okay, now it can be seen that the peaks, which one the U and B shown for figure, this one U, capital U, and this one is a capital B, T dash M. Now they are almost capital U and T dash M almost they are exactly opposite direction for because the phase differences is a 188. This means that if the loop for these directions where close the control system would have a tendency to add more heat when the inlet temperature Ti is at its high peak because B is then negative and KCB is become positive responses. The part of this recall that the set point R is held. The tendency will be for the control system to the add less heat because B is a positive part. This is precisely opposite to this form where the heat input should be control system. The frequencies response analysis part for some possibilities for an unstable control system exist for the particular sinusoidal variation in frequency. In that the shall demonstrate in this chapter. It can be Kc is taken to the large point and the tank temperature will oscillate with the increasing part. Amplitude for all this variation in U and hence they have and part of the unstable control system mate. The fact that such information may be obtained by a study of the frequency responses, the particular solution for a sinusoidal forcing functions justifies the further studies of this subject. Okay, now simply a board diagram જોઈશું આપણે એના ફર્સ્ટ ઓર્ડર સિસ્ટમ બી જોઈ લઈશું સાથે સાથે. બોર્ડ ડાયાગ્રામ ફોર અ ફર્સ્ટ ઓર્ડર સિસ્ટમ. A control panel, board diagram and a first order system. Thus far it has been necessarily to calculate the attainable region AR, capital AR, and phase lag by distinct substitution of S is equal to JW into the transfer function for the particular frequency of interest. It can be seen from equations 16.3, 16.13 and 16.15 જે અબાઉનો ઇક્વેશન્સના પાર્ટ છે. જે આપણે આગળના ઇક્વેશન્સ જોઈ હતા. This is a part for board diagram. And that the attainable regions phase lag are functions of frequency. There is a convenient graphical representation of their dependence on the frequency that largely eliminates direct calculation. The part of this is called a board diagram and it consists of the two graphics for a logarithm of attainable region of various logarithmic of frequencies. The phase between the angle versus logarithmic of frequencies. The board diagram will be shown in this chapter. We convened a tool for analyzing control problems such as the one discussed in the preceding section part. The remainder of this present in this chapter are devoted to developing the tools of this presenting board diagram for the basic component of these control loops. Okay, which one? The frequency system for logarithmic in the frequency the diagram. This is called a board diagram and it consists of two graphics for a logarithmic and the attainable region versus the logarithmic of frequencies part and the phase angle versus logarithmic of frequency. The board diagram will be shown in this chapter 17 to be a convenient tool for analyzing control system. The problems such as the discussed in this preceding section. This is a reminder part in the chapter in the previous chapter is denoted by this developing the tool and presenting board diagram for a show in this board diagram for a capital U and capital B. What a capital U is equal to T dash I and B is equal to T dash M. Okay, and the remainder of this present chapter is devoted to developing this tool, the presenting board diagram. for the basic component of this control loops. Now the first order system. Now the first order system જોઈશું આપણે. Now this attainable region and phase angle for the sinusoidal responses of a first order system are attainable region is equal to 1 by under root t square omega square plus 1. For a phase angle is equal to the tan inverse on this basis, and this is 1 by under root tau square omega square plus 1. The phase angle is a tan inverse. It is convenient to regard these are functions of omega t. For the purpose of the generality, for equations, see this one part. For a log AR is equal to 1/2 log omega t square plus 1. The first part of this board diagram is a plot of this equation 16.18, and the true curve is shown as the solid line on the upper part of this figure 16.4, and the sum asymptotic for a considerations part. Can we simplify these equations? Omega t tends to 0. For a 16.16 shown that attainable region tends to 1. This is indicated by the low frequency. For a isotopes in this figure 16.4, for a omega t tends to infinitive part. For a n series માટે જોઈશું આપણે these equations for a log AR is equal to minus log omega t. Now this is shown in a graphical system for a board diagram for a first order system. Which one? For a low frequency and also high frequency. For a corner frequency part and also true curve. The first one is the low frequency, second one is the high frequency, third one is the true curve, and the last one is the corner frequency. Now the graphical, which one versus? For a amplitude ratio versus WT, for tends to 0 to part and tends to infinitive part. બંને માટે આપણે જોવાનું છે. Which is the line of slope 1, the passing through the point also, and omega t is equal to 1, and attainable region part is equal to 1. This line is indicated as the high frequency for a asymptote in the figure 164 and 16.4 part. The frequency WC is equal to 1 by tau, where the two interest is known as the corner frequency. It may be shown that the deviations of the true AR curve for the asymptotes is the maximum, the corner frequencies part, using the WC is equal to 1 by tau. In this equations gives attainable region is equal to 1 by under root 2 is equal to 0.707 as the true values for this board diagram part. In a previous lecture માં આપણે જોઈશું કે first order system in series માં જોઈશું, એના વિશે ડિટેલમાં ડિસ્કસ કરીશું. Now the last 3 point, which one basis? For as the true curve AR is equal to 1 by under root 2 ની વેલ્યુ આવે છે 0.707 as a true value. Where is the intersections part of the asymptotes occurs at the attainable region is equal to 1. Since this is the maximum deviations and is an error of less than 30%, for the engineering purposes it is often sufficient to represent the curve entirely by the asymptotes, or alternatively the asymptotes and the values of 1 by under 2 may be used to sketch the curve if noted that the accuracy is required is the lower half of the figure of 16.4. We have shown this phase the curve given by equations above. For a phi is equal to tan inverse in a bracket minus omega t and a minus tan inverse omega t. It is evident that phi in approach zero values at the low frequencies at the minus 90 degrees Celsius at a high frequencies. This verifies the low and high frequencies portion of the phase curve. At a common frequency, WC is equal to 1 by tau. Finally, phi c is equal to tan inverse omega c into tau, and the tan inverse 1 ની વેલ્યુ કેટલી આવશે -45 degree Celsius. There are approximate available values for this way, but they are not much accurate, so widely use the -45 degree Celsius. And the last equation is disables for 20 log 10 basis AR. Okay, in next lecture માં જોઈશું આપણે first order system in series. Thank you so much.